What's up, everybody? This is Missy from Lansing Hoops, and I'm back at you today with another Teacher Tip Tuesday. This simple trick is something that's really useful in youth classes to get their attention and to get their focus quickly and without yelling. It goes something like this. You teach the student what your call is, and they answer back with you with their answer. The answer is always the same, and it's always answered by everybody at the same time. You've seen this before at different sporting events where the cheerleaders will yell into the crowd, and the crowd answers back. That's a basic call and answer. So as an example, in my youth hoop classes, I teach them that a group of students who hoop together is called a troop. When I yell hoop, I teach them to snap to attention, which focuses their body and puts their hoop flat on the floor in front of them, and they say troop. So when I say hoop, they say troop, and it goes like this. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you what to do so that you can always hear me and you know what's coming next. A group of hoopers who hoop together is called a troop. So today, if I yell hoop, you yell troop. Let's try it right now. Ready? Hoop, troop. You show them and you do it with them. You get them to do it back. And then from then on out, every single time you need their attention, if it's too loud, rather than saying, okay, everybody, listen up, here, come on, pay attention. All you do is you say hoop, and they say troop. And they'll snap to attention and they'll be waiting for the next thing that you'll say. You might have seen this in schools when a teacher goes like this. The students all reply back going. So what that does is make it so that the teacher can clap one time and every single student in the room hears that and claps back. Some other simple call and answers go something like this. A teacher might say, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. And then the students might say, 1, 2, eyes on you. They know the teacher's getting ready to talk and they should listen. Now, what I like about some of these calls and answers that I've showed you is that they incorporate a body movement. When the students say, 1, 2, eyes on you, they point their body and they turn their eyes and they look at the teacher. When I say hoop and the students answer back troop, they snap their body to attention and they hold their hoop flat on the floor. And this focuses their body and it makes it very quiet so everyone can hear me. So what kind of call and answers can you do for grown-ups? One way is to have them perform tricks and call out the answer or the name of the trick. The way that might work is you'd highlight yourself or another student at the front of the room and you'd say, okay, everybody, watch this trick and tell me the name. Then they answer back the name. Now, this trick might be the next step, the next thing that you're teaching. It gets everybody's focus and attention on you. When they answer it back, it also gets their mind thinking about what's coming up. One thing that I've heard before is when there's a presenter in the front of the room, they might say something like this. Everybody's talking, it's loud, no one can hear anything. If you can hear the sound of my voice, clap once. If you can hear the sound of my voice, clap twice. If you can hear the sound of my voice, clap 3 times. If you can hear the sound of my voice, clap 4 times. If you can hear the sound of my voice, clap 5 times. At this point, almost every single person in that room will be focused and paying attention to the instructor, and they barely raise their voice above a whisper. They do that by starting at the level that they want and asking the very few people around them to answer by clapping. The call and answer technique works really great for getting attention. I love doing this in my youth classes because it keeps everybody on track, and it's a good way to transition between one activity and the next activity, between different skill sets, or just when the class is getting kind of rambunctious and silly and loud and you need them to bring their focus back into what you're doing. That's how you do a call and answer, and it's an excellent way to grab your students' attention in a matter of seconds. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them in a future video. If you want more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe today. And if you'd like tips and tricks for teachers delivered straight to your inbox, sign up for my newsletter at LansingHoops.com.